Okay, so this is Little Paxton. There's another lock to our far left that's just coming out of... in front of us, as I say, there's Little Paxton you can see, and the Paxton Pits. We're going to head around these and follow the river up. You can see quite a bit of the river actually now, on the left hand of the screen. That follows on. More Paxton Pits. You can see in the distance, if you look at the top of the screen, there is also Grafton Water. That's another landmark to sort of pick out. I think that's worth looking at, a huge body of water. Here's Offord Darcy. And you can also just about pick out Buckton Marina there. Here's another lock, just pretty much in the centre of the screen right now. Again, it's another there we have Port Hope on the left, pretty much where the steering bar is. River waves around that. In the north of this you can see Godmanchester. If you look closely you might just about be able to see the bridge. And if you look at the A14, yeah, it's moving as fast as you can expect. And this is on Saturday. Here's Huntington. There's the Godmanchester Bridge down at the bottom of the screen. We're heading in this. This is the end of day 2. Just in the centre of the screen at the moment. That is where I will finish my run for the day. You can see there's the Riverside Park, and it looks like there's an event on today. I will also be there on the 11th and the 12th of August. I'll bring my kayak down. I'll just see if anyone else is interested in again joining along. This is where I currently live, Huntington. Thumbs up to that. And in the distance there's Hartford.